I'm Amanda Valentine, and I am a meal prepper and the host of the Pound This podcast. I have been meal prepping for almost a decade, and in that process, I have lost over 100 pounds and have maintained and become a certified nutritionist and personal trainer. And I'm going to show you some ways to incorporate dates into your daily and weekly meal plan, because the most important thing of living a healthy lifestyle is having a plan and having nutritious foods in that plan, and dates are perfect for that. Super high in fiber, great natural sugars, they taste great in so many different ways, and they are going to satiate you, make you feel good, and plus you're just eating natural foods. So let me show you some great ways to use dates. Saving the date. So this is how I plan my daily and weekly food. So I like the big Post-it notes. Again, it's not the prettiest thing on earth, but it works the best for me. And again, I've been doing this almost a decade. So for breakfast every day, I'm gonna have egg whites, veggies, and toast. For my post-workout, I'm gonna have a banana date protein smoothie every day. For lunch, I'm gonna have a chicken burrito bowl. And then snack, I'm gonna alternate for different days. I'm gonna have a date almond butter cup, or I'm gonna have hummus and veggies. For dinner, I'm gonna have salad with chicken with my dates on the salad as well for additional sweetness. And then a snack, again, I'm gonna alternate days. I'm gonna have dates with goat cheese, or I'm gonna have cottage cheese with fruit. A super great snack that you can make in the moment, or you can prep ahead and put in the fridge, is to use your dates. I get the pitted ones because that's the thing about meal prepping and meal planning. Make it as easy as possible. Get the pitted ones, get some goat cheese, and then you just stuff that in there, which is amazing. So it's already cracked open for you, right? And the seed is already gone. And then you just take some goat cheese. You either measure with your heart, which is what I like to do, or you can, actually weigh and measure if you're worried about calories and all that other fun stuff. And then you just have that. If you wanted to get extra saucy, you could wrap it up in some bacon. You can heat it up, but I love it just this way. And so then you just take your dates and you just keep splitting them back open and you stuff it with your goat cheese. And it's like the sweet, let me get it all over the place. You know what I mean? This is an influencer video. We're gonna make sure it's as pretty as possible. So then you can have these and you can put them in your little container and put them in the fridge, or you can just eat them like this. It's date night. It's date night. It's date night. What we're making here is almond butter protein stuffed dates dipped in chocolate. So you think of a peanut butter cup or an almond butter cup. So it's going to be high in fiber, high in protein, because pro tip, whenever they make those peanut butter cups, the secret ingredient is powdered sugar. So what I did is I just used some almond butter, protein powder. This is what I use. I use graham cracker flavor. You can use vanilla. Stirred that up with some almond milk. So I have that here. And then again, meal planning is easy peasy. Get some chocolate in there so it's a great dessert. Again, high protein and you got your fats with the almond butter. And then what you do is you just stuff that bad boy right there. And then we're gonna dip it in the chocolate and kind of wrap the chocolate around there, around the date. And then we're gonna pull her out. Boom. Pop them in the freezer. And then you're gonna have some high protein, high fat, high fiber, delicious almond butter cups. The secret to having a healthy lifestyle is just having a plan. Planning out how you're going to eat those nutritious foods like dates. And natural delights are awesome. So not only can you make all of these amazing recipes that add natural sweetness, add lots of fiber, add lots of potassium, but then even just having this in general of, oh, okay, I already have a plan. I'm gonna have this sitting out. I'm gonna have it on the counter. I'm gonna have the desk at work. And then I can just grab one and have a sweet treat and be satiated is perfect. So get your natural delights and get snacking. Post-workout, I love making this banana date almond butter smoothie because it's perfect for protein, fat, carbs. So I like to meal prep ahead of time and just take a banana, put them in between parchment paper and freeze them so it's done for the week. Add my frozen banana, add some almond butter, of course add some of my dates, some protein powder, and some almond milk, and then we have a perfect smoothie that's great pre or post workout. I like to drink my smoothies out of a wine glass because it makes me feel classy.
For me, the best part of salads are the toppings. Here I'm putting on some sliced almonds onto my lettuce, some goat cheese, which is, again, absolutely delicious, with dates, and more goat cheese, please. And then I'm going to use some of my chopped up dates. I'm going to add that onto my salad, make it nice and sweet along with that savory goat cheese. And then I already prepared some chicken because, again, I'm a meal prepper, so I have chicken on hand. So I'm going to put some chicken breast onto that salad. And then this is a honey balsamic vinaigrette. So the nice honey along with the date, along with the savory of the chicken and the goat cheese and the lettuce and the almonds. Delicious. This is a lunch or dinner or snack of beauty. Look at this salad and these dates. So good.
Living a healthy lifestyle is so important, and having good food as part of that healthy lifestyle is really important. And also having a plan and using Natural Delight dates is absolutely amazing, whether or not you're just satisfying that sweet tooth, or you're creating a pre-workout meal or a post-workout meal, or adding to your current meals. Definitely get some dates into your diet and into your meal plan. Thank you so much for joining me for Save the Date.